বাড়ি বাড়ি নিয়ে যাবো। এটা কি? এটা বিদেশি। ও দিল, উনি দিল। Hey, Bruno! What's up? Let's say something about this. This is a nice blue. How do you feel now?
This is a nice view.
Nice place,
Enjoying
yeah.
myself. Enjoying myself.
My friend is saying this is nice place.
This is a nice place. Nice view. I'm enjoying myself.
Okay, my friend is very enjoying after coming. So, really, how are you feeling now? Really?
I feel very good. Feel very good. Very interesting.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So, he is my new friend, but he is not only friend, he is my brother. He is my own brother, my family,
Yeah, you're my brother too.
family member. He is family member. Like family member. No, he is foreigner, but he is my brother. So, please say something to our friend about my journey. About our journey, please say something.
This is a great place. I love it in Bangladesh. Very nice place. Very friendly.
So,
And I found a goodbye. I found a goodbye. My new brother. New brother.
so my old friend pray for us to God, and we are enjoying this moment. I will show you the beautiful scenery of this river. I will show you.
Okay.
And pray for us, okay? Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi. Look like green city. Look like green city. Look like green city.
Migrant City, yeah.
Stay with me. আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি. Stay with me.
Looks the same. Looks the same.
আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি.
Yes.
Please stay with me. আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি. আমি আমার বন্ধুকে ভালোবাসি.
আমি কলকাতা বাংলাদেশে প্রতিবাদী।
Look like green city. Hello. Okay.